Really nice. Yo, Weasel, can you get that flag? You get the flag?
You want that, Tom?
You just walked out.
You got a frag?
Yeah, I do. What up?
I love you, Damien. I want that flag too.
Okay. He's hit, he's down. Copy. He's hit, he's down.
You got a lot of ammo?
Yeah, quite a bit.
Throw me a freeloader.
Perfect.
Hey! That was epic. I didn't even see it until it hit my fucking knee.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
Pull back in the window.
Did he just scream hit? I think he did. Dude, come on. Come on. Yep. I'm back. Dude, my freaking gun's down. I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, let's do this. Come on. Moving this building. The guy back here behind his bin. It's the kid. Oh my god. I am here. Watch in here, watch in here. Oh, they're in here.
Now you hit me for a shot.
Holy shit. Dude, I'm like literally like reloading one BB at a time trying to find BBs. I'm so close to out of ammo. Dude, I'm so fogged up I couldn't even see you. That was intense. Woo! That was close. Yeah. Watching here, I don't got no ammo, so. Oh, hey, hey, hey. I'm out of ammo anyways. I'm out of ammo. I ran out of ammo up there.
Did you?
Yeah,
I saw you with the pistol.
I had my mag, I was like, oh fuck. And my gun went down out there too, so.
Got him on that back corner though?
Yeah, I got like 4 of them right there.
Yeah, buddy.
Call it out when you see it, guys. Let us go back. Let us go. Hold what we got. We don't have to do anything but hold them off. They gotta come to us.
Cool. Wait, do they have 1 life too?
Yep.
Hell yeah. One's down. Watch yourself. Don't get shot for something stupid. I just shot somebody's feet. Hell yeah. What the fuck? Thank you, bitch. Yeah, I see him, I see him. Copy. He's in gas station.
No full auto from inside the building. Good call.
That would happen really fast.
Gunfights usually aren't slow.
No.
No further, Dusky.
Yeah, I'm trying to pop this corner. I won't go any farther.
No further by pop the corner.
I'm like one step, bro. Oh, shit. Hit. Hit me in the gun, but I'll call it, yeah.
How's gun hit? No, don't call it, Dusty. You're good. Don't call it.
Don't call it? Oh, okay. Huh.
Plus, I was talking to you, so I feel
Yeah.
I kind of encourage that. But don't go any rude.
Come on.
He's hit.
Okay.
Yep, this one right there.
Copy.
No further. You got a ring?
I do. Think you can get it in there? I got you covered.
That's a hit. Yeah, baby.
Hell yeah.
Excellent.
Contact behind cars, behind.
Copy. Yeah, I got him. That's what's up. Yeah, I got him.
We need to take Rusty and then swoop on in. Hold up. Oh! Got it. Are you down, Rusty?
You down too?
Yeah.
Oh, Dylan needs to hit. Yep. Sean, you're good. You're good on that side.
He ain't in here. He's on the trail. Now? Clear.
Yeah, you put his hand up. See him. He's right there. See him? Hold him down. He's hit. It's not him. Are you dead? You're playing dead. Oh, you dead. What's up, dog?
What's up, man?
Come on, bro.
What are you doing?
Yo, we got him, Sean. He's right here. What's up, homie G?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Pretty good. Take him this way.
I don't like this.
I'll shoot you in the back, motherfucker.
Around foot. Get on the fucking ground.
Shit, get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground.
Oh no.
That's it? Yeah, I guess.
You guys just had to bring me here?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Maybe my name did get that guy. There's a guy on the other side. He will pop out and shoot at you, so watch out. Yeah, what's up, Malachi? Hi. We're good. I got him. He's down. Hazel! I've been looking for you.
Blew out my knee on that one.
Alright, this is where we're wrapping up the video. Just got home from Airsoft. I am exhausted, but today was amazing. Today was so much fun. Now I'm just gonna kick back, relax. But anyways, I really hope you guys have had a fantastic day or night or whenever you're watching this. And like always, I'm Dusky and peace. I am impatient, I want my glory, I want it all now. I want my woman, I want my money, I want it all now. I want my freedom, I got opinions, I wanna say them now. This is my chance in my life and I'm wanting it all right now.